Bean Beauties, Dooney Bean here. How are you doing? I have a hot topic, Kisslock. Kisslock, yes. They're all the rage. Coach has the new Kisslock, and I want to show you my vintage collection of Kisslock bags. A teeny tiny portion of them. Alrighty, if you're interested in this, then come on back. Okay, Bean Beauties, let's make this a nice quick video for y'all. I like to mix up my long form, short form content as far as on my channel. And I'm going to start with a vintage one. And we will start with this one. Now, look at this baby. Isn't it cute? Isn't she cute? She's all full of beads, has a little beads hanging down there. And I just really love her. Now, story time, short story time. The reason I love Kisslock is it reminds me of my granny, of my abuelita. In Spanish, they're abuelitas, but we cut it short and we said abuelita. So she was my abuelita, our abuelita. And so she always had, you know, when she had her money, she would have the little coin purses and you hear that snap. Because, you know, on hers, you could hear the snap when you open it. And definitely the snap when you close it. And she'd get in there and she would say, you know, look for some money to give you, or maybe she'd have a little piece of gum in there, you know, that she'd have. And she always had like a coin purse. She gave me a long time ago, and with all the moves that we did from apartments to apartments when we were younger, I have misplaced it. And so it's a gold, sort of similar to this one. And it's a gold beaded Kisslock purse, and I really loved it. So I wanted to kind of start collecting those, and so 2023 I brought I started buying them again here and there when I see them. So here's one of them. Then that's the traditional one. Then the next one that I want to show y'all, which kind of realms into a newer one, but it's still kind of vintage for our standards. This is a croc embossed. And this will fall under a Kisslock. People will label it Kisslock because you know, it's kind of the clasp and it has that sound. And this, believe it or not, is a Dooney Bourke. And it's just a little clutch. And it's in the fancy line of clutch. And it is, let's see. This is their, I don't know if this is part of their Alto collection. It has, you know, just a little zipper in the back and some places for cards here. So it's, you know, if it has the credit card stuff, it's relatively new, you know, relatively new as far as, you know, in modern times, but I did like it, and I bought it solely because of that, and it was Dooney Bourke. Had never seen it before, had to have it. Then the next one I have will also kind of go in the realm of a larger Kisslock, and this one is also black. It also has that. So this one I purchased. Oh, look here, maybe it says in here. I think I could purchase at goodwill.com. Yeah, and the brand of this one is La Regal, Regale, beaded handbag. And I only paid y'all $9.99 was the winning bid, total with shipping, and they FedExed it and everything. It was $30.99, but the winning bid was $9.99. So, and she has a cute chain, and that has a pretty chain. So I can definitely put it, you know, wear it as a shoulder bag. Definitely not a crossbody though. Oh, maybe, I don't know. It's caught on my hair. Oh, maybe, yeah. Hey, there we go. Might work. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty good link. Huh. I don't know why. Every time I touch it, I have to do that. I have to do that. So I just keep in here. Also, too, is nice black silk black, and it says handmade in China. And it doesn't have the year or anything on there, but it's very well made. It has the frame and the beading work. Look at that. Just the beading work is gorgeous. And then I have a twin for it in the red. See? Look at that. Look at that. And it is, I believe, from the same, yes, it's the same company, La Regal. And here's what it looks like with its chain. And the chain is just really stunning. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, or a lot of bit, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I cleaned up in the sense of maybe shined up, more of like shined up. Then we're gonna go to none other than Vera Bradley. Vera Bradley is more of a contemporary type of a Kisslock. Isn't she cute? She has a little back pocket here. This definitely gives me the grandma vibes, my abuelita vibes, definitely. But it's one of these like the Dooney, where it has a square, but it still gives you that same sound, that same satisfying sound. So when I saw this, I'd never seen one of these either, and I had to have it. So you had some pockets here for the credit cards and what have you, and then you also have another little pocket in here. So I love that. Very cute. Very, very cute. Will I ever use her? I don't know. Might pass her on to my granddaughter. Thought about that before, you know, but we'll see. Right now, I'm just enjoying her. These are part of my art pieces, what I call my art pieces. This right here is a functional look Kisslock for me, though. This is the Dooney Bourke. It's, a lot of y'all may know. A lot of y'all have big, big collections, more so than I do. And it has that definitely satisfying sound of doing the Kisslock. And this one too, I think this one's called a Kisslock wallet. Oh, I have a mascara in there because I use that to travel and stuff. And so here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 on this side and 3 on this side of where you could slide your credit cards in, and then just has an open canvas. No, it has an open area there for you just to stuff it full of whatever you need, and it has that sound. Last but not least, and I'm sure y'all are eyeing this, this is my Kisslock purse, like an actual purse. Can y'all guess what it is? I'll give her a spin so y'all can kind of look at her. This was definitely inspired by Caleb Snell, and so none other. Who else gets me into this much trouble looking for stuff? Looking for stuff. But it's a fabulous find, a definitely fabulous find, and I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. And it's the Stam, and right here it says, if y'all can see it, right there it says Marc Jacobs. It's the Stam from Marc Jacobs, and this one is hard for me to open. There you go. I think it's just the angle where I was coming from, like that. So here is the inside. So this is one of the original. This is one of the originals they brought back. There's what it looks like on the inside. She has one zip pocket here, and then has here, I guess you could put, I don't know what it was originally for, but you can add, you know, hang your keys or something on there. And click. Then it has this back pocket over here. So she is a bit on the heavy side. Marc Jacobs likes his chunky chains. I'm all for it. Hold on. He does have a love for his chains, and they are chunky and heavy. They are chunky and heavy. They're pretty, you know, this one, although is not as heavy as some of the other ones, but it is heavy, and it makes it heavy. But this I would have to use as a, you know, you can't overstuff her. So I probably would do is I would get a organizer. My plans is to get an organizer for her, and then I could just put a few things in it, and it won't be as heavy. I mean, it's heavy right now. I wonder how much she weighs. Well, she's stuffed right now, so I don't know. I can't properly weigh her. So she's definitely a keeper. So I have, let's just recap a little bit. I have my Marc Jacobs Stam from, I don't know. I don't know what year. I don't know. I just see them. I like them, and I buy them. Dooney Bourke. I have my Dooney Bourke. I have my other clutch, Dooney Bourke. There we go. I have just a vintage beaded purse. I have my Vera Bradley, none other. Vera doesn't let me down. My Vera Bradley, she doesn't let me down. And then my black and red twins here. They just can go here. I don't know if you can see it. If it's in the light. I'll try to put a picture. I'll try to take a picture and put a picture up for you. But thank you so much for joining me, beauties. I just wanted to show you my Kisslock collection, so that y'all know that I am not on the bandwagon. I've had my own bandwagon. I'm pulling y'all along because I've been collecting these for a while. I've been collecting these for a while for sentimental purposes, and now I love it. However, all of them are out of my price range. I am not willing to pay those Coach prices for those Kisslocks. Not willing to pay all those. And just not. Let's just leave it there. Just not going to do it. Not going to do it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.